How to add widgets to iPhone lock screen in iOS 16. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Now let's get started. Long press on your lock screen in this way. Now at the bottom you'll find this option of customize. Tap on that option. Now tap on your lock screen. You will get this option of add widgets. Now tap on this option. With that you will find different widgets over here. Just scroll down. You can add widgets for batteries like voice calendar, clock, drive, Facebook, Gmail, Google, health, home, messenger and so on. All you need to do is tap on it in this way. Tap on it again. With that you are good to go. You can choose widget of any of these apps given over here. Here I will be selecting TikTok. You can just tap on it. And TikTok widget also has been set in my lock screen. Likewise you can add widget of these apps given over here. So this is how you can easily add widget to iPhone lock screen in iOS 16. Now at the top right corner you can find this option of done. You can tap on it. With that you are good to go. So this was all for this video. I hope now you guys are clear about how to add widgets to iPhone lock screen in iOS 16. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.